Okay, guys. So in front of me is Generation 1 Ratchet and all of his accessories. Now, why? Because I think I found weapon storage. So if you pull this off, open up this part. Like, if you look in here, there's actually quite a bit of space right here. So you can stick but all 3 missiles plus the red thing in there, and it goes in fine as so. This still rolls okay, but this piece fits perfectly in this hole on his waist. There you go, that still rolls. There we go. I think I just found weapon storage for this dude.